Hi all, I hope you're all doing well. For those who are new to my channel, welcome, and those who have already subscribed, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing something different. It's what I call a ribbon swirl technique. I don't know if any other people are doing it or if there's a different name for it, but I just started playing with it and see how it goes. So here I'm putting down the paints. All the paints that I'm using are listed at the bottom. This is the Carmine from Amsterdam, followed by the Amsterdam Primary Magenta, followed by Rich Expresso from Deco Art, and lastly Carbon Black from Golden. Now that the paint is down with a stick, actually it works best with a popsicle stick because then you get bigger, wider ribbons created. You just create some swirls pattern throughout the paint. Once that's done, you can then spin the painting to see what comes out. While I love the color combination, I didn't quite like the composition of it. I just thought that it was a little bit too busy and not really what I was going for. So I decided to scrape it and start again. So I'm not really discarding the paint, I'm just collecting it all together and adding more paint on top. This helps to avoid the wastage. Unless I want a really white background on the piece with some negative space, I would tend to just reuse what's on the board or canvas. So I didn't quite like this one either. I just thought it was still too busy. I wanted a bit more of a negative space on the piece, so it had to go. I think part of the reason the painting was so busy is because I had put down so much paint on the piece, so I decided for that third attempt to put less paint on the board. Putting less paint definitely helped because it had a bit more of a negative space. In hindsight, I wish I had put even less so that I had a little bit more of a white space on this piece. But all in all, I really like the composition of this piece and the ribbon colors, the mixture, and the design it created, and the blend of the different colors looked really nice to me. So for this piece, I quite like the overall of it, so I kept it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. As always, I would love to hear your comments and feedback on this piece and this technique. So leave me comments below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.